Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your 3-step checkout in Shopify to single page. Earlier in Shopify, the checkout was done in 3 steps. Like in the first page, we will be entering the basic information, and the second page we have to select the shipping details, and the third page it's payments. Okay, so now you can make them to a single page checkout. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Or if you are having a single page checkout, you can change it back to a 3-step checkout also. So for that, you have to go to your online store. From there you have to select the themes, and after that you can click on the customize. In customize you have to click on the theme settings, and you have to scroll down to checkout, and here you can see the option like 3-page checkout. Okay, so you can switch it from 3-page checkout to 1-page checkout or the other way. So now I'm having 3-page checkout. So in this case, I have to enter my personal information in this page, and after that I have to select the shipping in the second step, and in the third step I have to select the payment. So instead of that, I can make it to a single page. I can select this 1-page checkout and just click on save. Once I am done, now I can see the single page checkout, which means I'll be able to enter all the information within a single page. In this single page, I can enter my personal information, my shipping details, as well as my payment within a single page, which will make the user more easy to do the checkout. So if you are having 3-step checkout, you can change that to single page checkout by using this method. Now this feature is available for all the store owners, so you can go to your themes and try it out. Thanks for watching.